students, welcome to another session, and in this session we are going to discuss about ratio, proportion and variation. We have already completed percentages, their concept and questions. You can find the link of those videos in the description, and today we will be starting ratio, proportion and variation, right? So let's start to ratio, proportion and variation. So first question that can be asked, what is ratio actually, right? So what is ratio? So ratio का simple सा मतलब है that is comparison of two quantities of same units, right? इसका simple सा मतलब है that is comparison of two quantities of same unit. That is also important कि unit उनका same होना चाहिए, right? I cannot compare two different units. Means unit wise they should be same, but quantities they can be different also, right? Or two or more, we can say two or more quantities also, right? So rather than just sticking to two, we can say two or more quantities. But the condition is that they should have the same units. For example, we have a class, and in that class we have boys also and we have girls also, right? So if I talk about the number of boys and number of girls, that is the strength कितना होता है, right? If I talk about the number of boys, let the boys are 30 and the girls are 20. So there are 30 boys and 20 girls. So अगर हम boys और girls ratio की बात करते हैं, that is the number of boys. I'm talking about the number because unit has to be same. कितने number of boys हैं, कितने number of girls हैं? तो you can say sir 30 boys हैं और 20 girls हैं, right? तो रेशो वाइज अगर हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे, so I can say this is 3 ratio. तो ये जो मैंने लिखा है 3:2, ये जो सिंबल मैंने लगाया है that is the symbol of a ratio. तो ये जो सिंबल है इसका हम रेशो बोलते हैं, राइट? तो ये आपके पास बॉयज हैं एंड ये नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स, राइट? अब यहाँ से हमारे पास क्या क्या इंटरप्रिटेशन है, व्हाट वी कैन इंटरप्रेट फ्रॉम दिस एक्सप्रेशन और द गिवन वैल्यू और द इंफॉर्मेशन, राइट? सो आई कैन से द बॉयज मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 में हो सकते हैं. बॉयज शुड बी मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. बॉयज कैन बी 3, 6, 9, 12 समथिंग लाइक दैट, बिकॉज बॉयज हैज टू बी मल्टीपल ऑफ 3 and in the original question it was 30, so it is a multiple of 3. And if I talk about the girls, if I talk about the number of girls, so multiple of 2. तो जो लड़कियां हैं वो 2 के मल्टीपल में होंगी, राइट? We can see 20 is a multiple of 2. That it can be 2, it can be 4, it can be 6 and something like that. But how should I know कि कितने होंगे? Like you said that boys भी 10 3 के मल्टीपल में है, गर्ल्स भी 2 के मल्टीपल में, बट कितने होंगे, राइट? तो जब आपके मन में ये सवाल है कितने होंगे, क्वांटिफाई करना आपको, तो यहाँ पर हम क्या करते हैं, इस रेशो के साथ में वेरिएबल कनेक्ट करते हैं, राइट? 3k and 2k, राइट? सो आई कैन से 3k and 2k मीन्स k will decide the number of boys and the girls, right? तो rather than just writing 3:2, I can have in my mind कि 3 का कोई मल्टीपल होगा और 2 का कोई मल्टीपल होगा, और ये जो k है that is a common multiple of 3 and 2 something like that, right? मतलब आपके पास ये जो वैल्यू है कॉमन होना चाहिए. We cannot have 2 different case, right? So that's why it is saying कि अगर हम रेशो की बात करेंगे तो रेशो is simply 3:2, but we should have some additional multiplier, right? तो k is a common multiplier. तो कि आपके पास कॉमन मल्टीप्लायर है जो आपको यहाँ पे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस रेशियो बाय द कॉमन मल्टीप्लायर यू विल बी गेटिंग द एक्चुअल क्वांटिटी. आई बिलीव इट इज राइट. तो यू कैन नोट इट डाउन कि आपके पास रेशियो का मतलब होता है सिंपल कंपैरिजन ऑफ 2 क्वांटिटीज और मोर देन 2 क्वांटिटीज ऑफ द सेम यूनिट्स. एंड जस्ट बैक ऑफ द माइंड यू शुड हैव नॉलेज कि अगर हम रेशियो लिखते हैं तो उसके साथ कुछ वेरिएबल होता है, राइट? कुछ वेरिएबल होता है, वो वेरिएबल हमको क्वांटिफाई या चीज़ों को एग्जैक्ट पता करने में हमारी हेल्प करता है. इट इज अ सिंपल interpretation of the ratio, right? So let's take some examples so that we can get really कि हमने अभी तक क्या सीखा, right? You can get the information, right? So if I talk about suppose the ratio of A and B, and suppose is a 5:6. The ratio of A and B is 5:6. So as I told you, it should have some common multiplier. So let it be 5 and 6, correct? And if I say sum of A and B is 55, find difference of A and B. तो अगर sum of A and B is 55 तो आपको difference find out करना, right? So it is pretty simple actually. This sum is total. Sum का मतलब होता है total, right? So we have A, that is 5k, as I have assumed that there should be a common multiplier, and B, it is given to us 6k. So according to the question, the summation, that is 5k plus 6k, that is sum का मतलब total होता है, and it is equals to 55. So from here I can get 11k का value 55. तो k is coming out to be 5. k का value 5 आ जाएगा. So as soon as you have the value of k, जैसे ही आपके पास k का value आ जाएगा, I can say a का जो value आएगा 5 into 5, that is 25, and b का value आएगा 6 into 5, that is 30. I believe it is clear, right? So you can add 25 and 30 will be getting, that is 55. Question is asking difference between A and B. तो डिफरेंस का मतलब होता है बड़े में से छोटे को माइनस करना, दैट पॉजिटिव डिफरेंस, राइट? तो द डिफरेंस विल बी 30 minus 25, that is 5. So 5 is the difference. So this is important that we should have a common multiplier that should be multiplied to get the actual values. I believe it is clear, right? So you can note it down this example, right? After that, we should learn the merging of ratios, right? Merging of ratios means when we have two different ratios, how we merge them. For example, it is given to us the ratio of P and Q is 3:4, and that of Q and R is 5:6, right? Now ratio of P and Q is 3:4 and Q and R is 5:6, and if I want to ask what is the ratio of PQR, so it is asking what is the combined ratio of PQR, right? So combined ratio PQR का निकालना. Just one thing you should know, that ratio can be written as fraction also, that is 3/4, and here is Q upon R is 5/6, right? Now one thing you can imagine, or you can just think, if I look here, Q, it is a multiple of 4. Q is a multiple of 4, but in this ratio, Q is a multiple of 5. So we should have any number that is common multiple of 4 and 5, right? Means एक ऐसा नंबर आपके पास होना चाहिए जो कि 4 का भी मल्टीपल हो, जो कि 5 का भी मल्टीपल हो. So that's why we will make Q equal, because it is common in these ratios. तो जो भी चीज कॉमन है, राइट, आपको उसको इक्वल करना पड़ेगा. सो फॉर दैट आई मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 5 एंड दिस आल्सो बाय 5. न्यूमरेटर को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो डिनोमिनेटर को भी करेंगे, एंड वाइस वर्सा आल्सो. एंड सिमिलरली I should multiply this ratio by 4 and 4, right? 4 in the numerator, 4 in the denominator. So this P and Q become, now P become 3 into 5, 15. Now P become 3 into 5, 15. And Q become 4 into 5, 20. And R become 6 into 4, 24. So this is the combined ratio of PQR. This is the combined ratio of PQR, and still we should have a common multiplier. कुछ भी हो सकता है, x y z के जो आपका मन करता है वो अज्यूम कर सकते हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज द कॉमन multiplier, right? Or I can multiply this way also, right? I can take 5k, 5k, 4k, 4k. So here also we have k. तो आप इसको ऐसा भी assume कर सकते हैं, right? I can write this is 15k, 20k, and 24k. कॉमन मल्टीप्लायर होना चाहिए, एंड ये आपको सिर्फ ये हेल्प करता है कि आपकी एक्चुअल वैल्यूज कितना हो के पे डिपेंड करता है, राइट. तो वी शुड नो दैट हाउ टू मर्ज द रेशियोज. लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. सपोज A ratio B is 1:2 and B ratio C is 3:4, right? Now I want to know the A plus B ratio B plus C ratio C plus A. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे A plus B, B plus C, C plus A आपको चेक करना है. तो बिफोर directly jumping to A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, we should have individual A, B, C, right? So from that I should calculate the ratio of A ratio B ratio C. पहले हम individually A, B, C calculate करेंगे, right? तो as I told you just now that उसके लिए आपको ये चेक करना पड़ेगा कि इनमें कॉमन कैरेक्टर कौन है, कॉमन क्वांटिटी कौन सा है. तो you can see सर B इसमें कॉमन है, right? So I'll try to make B equal, right? So I can see that A upon B is nothing but 1 upon 2 and B upon C is 3 upon 4, right? Now I have to make B equal, right? इसमें B को equal करना है, and here we can see the B is a multiple of 2 and here B is a multiple of 3. So there should be common multiple. अब कुछ ना समझ में आए तो इस वाले नंबर को यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो और इस वाले नंबर को यहाँ मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, उससे आपका आंसर आ जाएगा, राइट? हो सकता है कि आपका एलसीएम ना आए बट आंसर आ जाएगा, थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन बढ़ जाएगा, इसके अलावा कुछ भी होगा, राइट? For example, this is the common multiple of 2, this is a common multiple of 3. So I will multiply this by 3k, and so this has to be multiplied by 3k also. And if I multiply by 2k in numerator and denominator, again the B will be equal. So finally I can say the ratio of A, B, C. It should be A is 3k, B is 6k, and C is 8k. So this is A ratio B ratio C. I know that K can be cancelled, but you should have the knowledge that K is present back of the mind. आपको ये पता होना चाहिए, right? Now it is asking A plus B. So if I just add A plus B, so A plus B is 3K I write plus 6K. B plus C is 6 plus 8, and C plus A, that is 3 plus 8. What I can do it? What is it? I think it is not writing here. So this is 3k plus 8k. Okay, so this is 3k plus 6k, 6k plus 8k, and 3k plus 8k. So my final answer will be this is 9k. I think I'm not able to write in this space. So I'm just writing this way. तो इसको यहाँ पर लिखते हैं. This will 3k plus 6k is 9k. Then 6k plus 8k is 14k, and 3 plus 8 that is 11k. I believe it is clear. So of course I can cancel the k as it is common. So my final answer will be 9 ratio 14 ratio 11. I believe it is clear. Okay, so I can add, I can subtract, I can multiply the quantities in the ratio, right? Once we have individual ratio, I can find the product of AB also, the product of BC also, the difference of AB also. I can find anything, right? But we should remember that K should be present every time, and whenever we require, I should incorporate in my picture, else I can get rid of it, right? I believe this clear, right? Okay, so let's solve one more question. You please note it down, and you should note that in the last we should not बी बैलेंस्ड विथ के, हमारे पास के नहीं बचना चाहिए इन द फाइनल रेशियो। अगर के बचेगा तो फिर पंगा हो जाएगा। तो पंगा देखते हैं क्या हो सकता है, राइट। तो आप इसको नोट कर लीजिए। लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल, राइट। तो लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल। इफ आई से सपोज the ratio of A is to B is 1:3 and B ratio C is 2:5. Now if I want to find A plus B ratio B plus C का square ratio C plus A, right? So now it is important to observe that here the degree of this term is 2 and here the degree of these two terms is 1, right? So can I find the ratio, right? So suppose I find the individual ratios, right? So individual पहले हम निकाल लेते हैं A ratio B ratio C, right? So I can see that here B is 2 and here the B is 3. So as we did earlier also, I can just make it equal, right? तो चाहे तो आप इसको ऐसे भी लिख के कर सकते हैं। I have no problem. So this is 1:3, this is 2:5, right? So again you can see here B is a multiple of 2, here B is a multiple of 3. So I'll try to make it equal once again, right? So for that I'll multiply it by 2, I'll multiply it by 2, let it be 2k, and I'll multiply it by 3k, and multiply it by 3k. So the final ratio of ABC is 2k ratio 6k ratio 15k. So A ratio B ratio C is 2 6 15, right? 2 6 15. अब देखते हैं यहाँ पर हमारा आंसर कितना आएगा। So if I talk about A plus B, A plus B will be 8k, that is 2k plus 6k. If I talk about B and C, this is 6 plus 15, 6k plus 15k, and now it is asking for whole square also. Now C plus A is 2k plus 15k. Okay, so this is going to be 8k, this is going to be 21k, but we have to square it also, right? And this is 17k. So one important thing we have to notice, this is 21k square is 441, and now this becomes k square, and this is 17k. So when I simplify, जब आप इसको simplify करोगे, I thought is not actually working perfectly fine, so just try to bear it. So this is 3, this is 8, 441, we are left with k, and this is 17. So one important thing you should note, that k is still unsolved. I don't have the information about the k, what should be the value of k. So mathematically this has to be known, else I cannot find the ratio, right? So यहाँ पे रेशियो आपके पास नहीं आएगा, because the ratio जो आंसर है depends on k. तो we can have more than one answer provided कि k का वैल्यू 1 है, 2 है, 3 है, and mathematically तो वैसे cannot be determined है, because we don't have any information about the common multiplier, right? So we don't have any information about the common multiplier in this particular question, right? क्वेश्चन का अगर सिनेरियो कुछ और डिफरेंट है तो माइट बी पॉसिबल कि आपको के मिले, बट इन दिस सिचुएशन वी शुड बी वेरी केयरफुल दैट इफ वी आर लेफ्ट विद एनी वेरिएबल, तो आई कैन नॉट आंसर, द आई कैन से कैन नॉट बी डिटरमिन्ड, कैन नॉट बी डिटरमिन्ड हो सकता है दैट सी एंड डी कैन नॉट बी डिटरमिन्ड, तो आंसर कैन बी सी एंड डी आल्सो, राइट? इट कैन बी सी एंड डी, बिकॉज के का वैल्यू हमारे लिए नहीं पता है ना। अगर मैं आपसे बोलता हूँ मेरे लिए के का वैल्यू 1 है, किसी और स्टूडेंट के लिए के का वैल्यू उसको 1 है ना, वो कुछ भी एक वैल्यू लगा सकता है। तो व्हेन यू गिव डिफरेंट वैल्यूज ऑफ के टू द गिवन रेशियो, द आंसर इज कीप ऑन चेंजिंग, सो दैट्स व्हाई द आंसर डिपेंड्स ऑन द के, राइट? सो दिस इज इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड व्हाई इट हैपेंड, बिकॉज ड्यू टू डिफरेंट डिग्रीज। तो अगर आप डिफरेंट डिग्रीज के रेशियो को कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो यू हैव टू बी वेरी केयरफुल कि यहाँ पे इस एक्सप्रेशन का डिग्री 1 है, यहाँ पर इस एक्सप्रेशन का डिग्री 1 है, और यहाँ पे इस एक्सप्रेशन का डिग्री 2। आई बिलीव इट इज क्लियर, राइट? सो वी हैव लर्न व्हाट इज रेशियो, हाउ टू मर्ज द रेशियोज, राइट? सो अभी हमने 3 क्वांटिटीज के रेशियो को मर्ज किया. लेट्स टेक वन एग्जांपल जहाँ पे हम मोर देन 3 क्वांटिटीज 4 क्वांटिटीज के रेशियो को मर्ज करते, राइट. फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम सेइंग P ratio Q is 1:2, Q ratio R is also 2:3, and R ratio let it 3:4, and R ratio S is 5:6. Now I want to calculate P, Q, R and S, right? So here we have 4 quantities. We have to merge them, right? So as we discussed, I should write P upon Q, Q upon R, R upon S, right? You can do it mentally also, but for your teaching purpose, I am just writing it separately so that you can understand that what I am actually doing. So we can learn. So just forget this R and S. Just do it until this way. तो ये तो मैंने अभी आपको सिखाया that this is 1/2 and now this is 3/4, right? So here Q is a multiple of 2, here Q is a multiple of 3. So for that I am going to multiply this by 3k and this is multiplied by 2k on both numerator and the denominator, right? So I can write P ratio Q ratio R. So P will be 3k and Q will become 6k and this will become 8k, right? So until that step I don't think that we have a problem, right? But we want to merge R and S also, right? Just take R and S. So just write R and S also. Now the R and S is also given to us 5 and 6. The ratio of R and S is given to us 5:6 also, right? So in this particular scenario, we have common R. तो अभी आपके पास R common है ना? अभी बाकी सब तो इंडिविजुअल है, but R is having 2 values. So again, I'll try to make R equal, right? So make it equal. जो भी common है उसको equal करेंगे. ये हमारा learning है. Okay, so let's make it equal. So for that, I can multiply. I have already k, so I'll multiply it by 8k, and I will multiply it by only 5 because we have already k in the upside also. So I don't need to multiply again by k because it will become k square then, right? So just multiply. 5 into 3 is 15k. 6 into 5 is 30k. Now 8 into 5 is 40k. And here also 5 into 8 48, right? And we have 6 into 40, 8 is 48. So do you find any number that can divide all the given numbers? Of course no, right? So just I can cancel or eliminate k. तो आप यहाँ से k को eliminate कर सकते हैं. तो my final answer will be 15, 30, 40, 48. I hope it is clear, right? So this is the ratio of PQRS. I believe it is clear. So it is not a problem that we have 3 quantities, 4 quantities, more than 4 quantities. Our concepts, if our concepts are clear, definitely I can find all the ratio, right? So let's solve, or I must say I'll give you one assignment problem. You have to comment the answer of that question, right? Suppose that n ratio n is 3:4, n ratio p is 4:, again let it be 2:5, and p ratio q is 7:3. So find m, n, p, q. So we have to find the ratio of m and p, q, and we have to answer in comment. So that's all for today. In the next video we will cover the next process or next subtopic of this chapter. And if you have any feedback, any suggestion, you can comment your suggestion or feedback, and you can follow us if you are new to the channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye, take care.